Hello students, today I am going to give you the summary of the chapter 4, a question of trust, that we had studied during the live class these 3 days, back 3 days. So today I am giving you the summary of the chapter so that you can understand it well and do accordingly. I will give the question answers also after this video. So please listen carefully. Horace Denby had a good reputation in society. He was about 50 years old and unmarried. He ran a business of making locks and had 2 helpers. But Horace was not totally honest. He loved rare and expensive books. Horace robbed a safe every year to finance his expensive hobby. He was now going for committing a robbery. For 2 weeks, Horace had studied the country house at Shotover Grange, whose owners normally lived in London. He wanted to burglar the jewelry lying in the safe in this house. Hence, entered the house when the servants were away. He had an allergy to flowers called hay fever. He started sneezing. Then he heard a lady's voice. She told him a cure for the sneeze. Then a young and pretty lady appeared in the doorway. She was young and pretty. His first thought was to run, as the lady told him that she would telephone the police. Horace told her to let him go and forget she ever saw him. The lady put one condition for letting Horace go. She told him that she had promised her husband to take her jewels to the bank. She had, however, left the jewels in the safe, as she wanted to wear the jewels in a party that night. She came down to get them, but had forgotten the number combination to open the safe. So she needed his help to break open the safe. So Horace opened the safe for her and handed her the jewels to get his freedom. After 2 days, a policeman arrested him for the jewel robbery at Shotover Grange. Horace's fingerprints were found all over the room. He had opened the safe without using his gloves. He told the police that the lady of the house had told him to open the safe. But the actual lady was a 60-year-old woman. She said that Horace's story was nonsense. Then Horace realized that the pretty young woman was also a jewel thief who had used his skill to steal the jewels. Horace is now assistant librarian in prison. He often thinks of the charming and clever young lady. She was in the same profession as him. She had simply tricked him, so he gets angry when anyone talks about honor among thieves. So you might have understood this summary, this short summary. This is just a small short summary which I have given to you. In this story, we have this Horace, who is very good man, who is a businessman of locks. He makes locks, and is a successful man. Second thing, his hobby is to read expensive, rare books, and for that he is to steal once in a year, and with that money he is to buy the this book. Now one day he selects a house in the what you call this garage, and goes to steal. He has got the sickness, that is hay fever, and he finds a lady there, and she also is a thief, but he does not know. Anyhow, he is caught up in the trick of the lady, and he gives away the jewel to her, and finally he is caught up. by the police, and then he's put into the prison. And in the prison also, he's been made as a librarian, assistant librarian, since he loves to read the book. So I believe you have understood the story well. So please read once again and write a short summary of this story in 80 words. Okay, in your copy, in 80 words, write the short summary. I will post the question answers. So please do write the question answers also. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.